What's going on, guys? So crypto trading is evolving faster than ever. And if you're still trading manually, then you are leaving time and money on the table. Let's dive in and talk about it right now.
All right, guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down powerful AI tools that are completely changing how people trade crypto in 2025. I'm excited. Great to have you here on board with me today. So let's get into it. So these tools are going to help you automate trades, avoid emotional decisions, and even trade 24/7 while you sleep. Let's dive in and I'll show you how to trade smarter, not harder. All right, so the first project we're going to talk about is 3 Commas. That's on the screen right there for you. And 3 Commas is one of the most trusted crypto trading bot platforms out there, okay? It connects with top exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken to automate your trades using smarter algorithms. And we all want that. We all want a more seamless, easier experience when trading on the crypto blockchains and on the marketplace, because a lot of these things can get very confusing. They can get tedious and a little bit overwhelming for new traders like myself, or maybe you watching the video. If you're new to crypto, you want to know these things, you need these details, okay? So we're going to outline some key features now. So SmartTrade terminal with live analytics. You're also going to get grid bots and DCA bots, which are perfect for bull and bear markets. Bull markets are when they're high, bear is when they drop, okay? That's how that works. Portfolio tracking, which everybody needs, and even paper trading for practice. Very cool. Great feature there. Best for traders who want full automation with customization options. Okay, so that's how 3 Commas can help you. And as you can see, they got a lot of great stuff here. Check out all the awesome details about this program right here on the website. So yeah, the next tool that we are going to talk about is Coinrule, and we're going to do that right now. All right, so here we are on Coinrule.com. And you know what? Coinrule is ideal if you don't know how to code but still want to automate trades. That's great. Now you can create your own trading strategies using a visual interface powered by AI. That's freaking phenomenal, right? Key features include 0 coding required, AI suggested strategies based on real life market data, backtesting tools to refine your ideas. And this program is best for beginners who want to easily automate with full control. I absolutely think this is going to do well. The website looks good, very in-depth, lots of explanation about how these tools are going to help you out. I really recommend checking this out if you're new to crypto trading and you're looking to get into it. I think this is going to be great. Okay, so the next one we're going to talk about is Krill.io. So we're going to do that right now. All right, guys, now we're talking about Krill.io, and Krill takes things a step further, okay? Because with a drag and drop strategy builder, this is going to help you out a lot. It's very seamless and cool. I like it a lot. And you can literally build your own bot logic without writing a single line of code. That is absolutely phenomenal. Now, the key features include an AI-enhanced visual editor, strategy marketplace with bots from pro traders, which I think is absolutely amazing, okay? Adapts in real time to market shifts. That is phenomenal. I think that's something that's going to be very important for all of us. We want to know when things are changing in the market as crypto investors and traders, right? I'm sure you do as well. That's why you're watching the video. And Krill.io is best for advanced users and pros who want custom strategies without coding. So yeah, check out the site. Come and see what this is all about, because I think it's going to be good. And I'm really excited for Krill.io. And hopefully you guys are as well. I mean, that's why you're watching the video. So yeah, Krill.io is another awesome tool that you're going to be able to use for trading in crypto. So that's pretty cool. All right, so the last one that we're going to talk about today is Stoic by Cindicator. And Stoic is like having a hedge fund AI trading agent for you, which is really cool. It connects to your Binance account and uses data-driven strategies to manage your portfolio. And you can check it out right here. All these great features, everything it does, the functionalities, all that kind of cool stuff. Come on the website and check it out. You can also QR code and get in there like that kind of stuff. Lots of frequently asked questions are answered here. Okay, so come and check it out. But the key features are fully automated portfolio manager, strategies trained on historical marked data, minimal setup, just connect your account and boom, super easy. And this is best for long-term holders who want automated, optimized trading. Okay, so these tools are what are going to help you in 2025, boosting your trading experience, making things easier for you, and I really recommend them. And whether Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, tools like 3 Commas, Coinrule, Krill, and Stoic can save you time, reduce stress, and improve your returns, okay? Which one are you excited to try out first? I'm sharing more AI crypto video tools every week to help you stay ahead in 2025 and beyond. All right.
All right, guys, so as you can see, AI isn't just improving crypto, it's redefining it. So if this video helped you out, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell for all notifications so you know when we post new content here on the channel for the best AI and crypto videos right now.